In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an SRT subtitle file into DaVinci Resolve. This is a handy skill to know, especially if you're working on projects that require perfectly timed subtitles for your videos or films. So, let's jump right in. The starting point of our journey is the Edit page. If you're already familiar with DaVinci Resolve, you'll know that the Edit page is where most of the magic happens when it comes to editing. It's the hub of all your clips, audio tracks, effects, and importantly, your timeline. If you've just launched DaVinci Resolve, you'll find yourself on the Edit page by default. If not, don't worry, just click on Edit at the bottom of your screen, and you're there. Now, with your video project open in the Edit page, the next step is to bring your SRT file into the media pool. Essentially, this is the library of assets you're using for your project. It's a simple drag-and-drop process. All you need to do is locate your SRT file on your computer, click on it, and drag it into the media pool. You should see your subtitles file appear alongside your existing video and audio clips. Make sure the SRT file is properly named to identify it easily, especially if you have numerous media files in your project. Once your subtitle file is resting comfortably in the media pool, it's time to bring it onto the timeline. Again, this is straightforward, similar to adding a video clip. Click on the SRT file in the media pool and drag it down to the timeline. Place it exactly where you want your subtitles to start appearing in your video. This step is crucial because it ensures your subtitles are in sync with the dialogue or the part of the video you want them to display. Here's a quick tip. While dragging your subtitle to the timeline, pay attention to the starting point of your text. A misplaced subtitle might affect the viewing experience by not matching the dialogues or by having awkward timings. You can always move the subtitle piece on the timeline if adjustments are needed, so don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. After these steps, congratulations! You've imported your SRT subtitles into DaVinci Resolve. From here, you can preview your video to ensure everything is perfectly aligned, and that's it. Quick and easy steps to make your videos more accessible or to translate dialogue seamlessly across different languages. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you polish your projects professionally with well-timed subtitles. Until next time, happy editing!